Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jyoti and I create video on makeup, skincare, lifestyle and a lot more. If you're interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and also tap the notification bell to get all the latest updates. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys Misho ethnic dresses, and these are pretty much good in the fabric, and also the prices are pretty reasonable. So I'll be sharing with you guys in this video, so keep on watching this video till the end. The first one we have is this dress. So this is what it looks. It has like the checks all over the dress. So I really like the color, but then what I saw in the website is really different from what I received. But then other than that, I really love the color and the quality. It's a basically a kurta. So it has like a side slit, and so this is what the kurti looks like, and it has this taping border on the hand. So this is basically a 3/4 sleeves. So with this you're gonna get a dupatta and also a skirt. So this is what the skirt looks like. So it has this elastic on the waist, and so yeah, this is pretty much the skirt looks like. And down at this you have this taping border. The quality is really good. It's really good in the fabric. So yeah. This is basically rayon material, so this costed me around 556 rupees. It's below 1000, so I really love this. And with this you're gonna get the dupatta. So this is what the dupatta looks like. So this is pretty much what it looks. It has the same again taping border. It's very lightweight. I really love the dupatta. It's very light in weight. This dress is in the size large, so I'll be giving the code down in the description box. You can check. And the next kurta set we have is this, and this is what the color looks like. It's very good bottle green color. So it's not even bottle green. It's very light leaf kind of color. So I really love this color, and it has like a sweetheart kind of neck, as you can see. It's really good, and it has like this 3/4 sleeves, and it has such a beautiful print all over the sleeve. Again, it has like a taping border, and the print is really good. It's like a very flower and subtle color. So back of this kurta you have this tie up, so you can try this up, and you have such cute stuff back of this kurta. So yeah, you can tie up and it would look really good. So yeah, this is what the kurti looks like. It's basically anarkali kind of kurta. So you don't have any slits and all. So this is what the basically kurta looks like. And again, it has the same print as you have on the 3/4 sleeves. I love the fabric. It's a very pure cotton fabric, and for the summer you can absolutely get this. It's such a beautiful color, and it's a cotton, so I really love cotton fabric. With the kurti you are gonna get this red pants. It has the same elastic waistband and a very plain red pants. Dupatta, it's like same as kurta. It's same dupatta. So again, it's a cotton material. So this entire set costed me around 745, and again it's in the size large. And the next one we have a very cute and white printed kurta set. So yeah, this is what it looks. It is like a very cream color with a beautiful roses and all. So yeah, it has like a 3/4 sleeves, as you can see, and it's really good. I really love the quality. It's basically a rayon material, but then I really love it's a very lightweight stuff. And down at this you get this slit. So with this you're gonna get pants and a dupatta. And so this is what a dupatta looks like. It has like this frills all over the dupatta, and it comes with a a white pant. So yeah, this is what it looks. The pant is really colorful. It has such a beautiful print all over the pant. You know, there are few pants which are pretty much, you know, plain, but this pant is really good. You know, it has very good elastic, and also the print is really good. So I really love this, so you can definitely give this a try. And this costed me around 675 rupees, and it's in the size large. So yeah, I pretty much love this dress. It's such a cute white and cream combination of the dress. So yeah. And the next one we have is this pink kurti with the pant. So it's a set of like two. You're gonna get a kurti and a pant. So this is what the kurti looks like. It's basically sleeveless, and it has like a very beautiful pink. You know, it's very light pink color, and it has this, you know, flowers all over the kurti. And this is what it looks. So you won't get any slit and all. It's like a anarkali kind of kurti. So I really love this kurti. It's very pretty. I really love the color. And you get a very white, you know, printed pant. So this is what the print looks like, and I really love the print, and it has like this elastic waistband, and even the quality is really good. It's very soft. So yeah, you can check this out for summers. It's a set of like two, a palazzo and a kurti, and this cost me only 555, 555. So yeah, I really love the color. It's such a beautiful color. As you can see, it's a very cute pink color with all this print. So if you love wearing sleeveless, then you can definitely give this a try. It's a very good material and a very reasonable price. And then the last one we have is this. It's basically a A-line kurti with the pants. So again, this is white in color. The quality is really good. So it's very soft. It's basically, you know, a rayon material. So this what it looks. It has this, you know, keyhole kind of neck, and this come with this hands. These are basically 3/4 sleeves. You get this frills kind of stuff and small pom-poms, and the quality is also really good. And you get a slit at this. With this you're gonna get a sky blue pants. So this is what the pant look like. Again, it has like a elastic waistband and full pant, and you have this a small design down at the bottom of the, you know, pants. And this costed me around 600 rupees, and I think for two set it's a really good thing. If you're thinking to buy any budget kind of stuff, you know, below 1,000 rupees, then all these dresses are pretty much, you know, reasonable in price. You can definitely give this try. I'll be giving the codes down in the description box. You can check that out. So yeah, this is pretty much the haul. If you love the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also tap the notification bell to get all the latest updates. I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.